Hi, you should subscribe to Yuzo. Also like the video and subscribe. Gang gang, enjoy the video.
Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Yuzo, and today's video I'm gonna be doing, this is a kind of special video. It's actually, many of you guys have been waiting for this. I'm not gonna lie, like a lot of you guys, you know. Anyway, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm finally making a FiveM video again. Since y'all been waiting so long and you actually kind of wanted a FiveM video, I got you guys. And yeah, so this video is gonna be a realistic FiveM clothing tutorial. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make FiveM clothing, like realistic clothing. I always showed you guys how to make like gang clothing and like FiveM like 100k or die stuff, but now I'm gonna show you guys how to damn, all right, I'm gonna make it all right, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make like realistic clothing, like designer clothes, like Dior and all that, you know what I mean. Hey, anyway, let's get into the video. And yeah, smash like, subscribe if you want more. Make sure, yo, we just hit 5k, we finally did it, and yo, thank you so much. Anyway, let's just get into the video. Love you guys. Alright, so first of all, you gotta open up Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, it's free, it's totally free in my Discord, so just join my Discord server and you'll get it for free. It's in the tutorial stuff channel, and to get access to that channel, you need subscriber verification, so make sure to get that role as well. Read everything in my Discord, everything, boom boom, and yeah, that's how you get it. You'll also be needing OpenIV for this, because you're gonna be like, you need to preview the clothing, so you're gonna be needing OpenIV. This is gonna be in my Discord, or you can just search up OpenIV.com, or it's gonna be in the description as well. So just make sure to get that. But hey, make sure to join my Discord, because you gotta join my Discord for the assets I'm about to give you guys. All right, I'm gonna give you a lot of clothing files. All right, so you gotta join my Discord to get the clothing files. All right, so that's, yeah, all right, whatever, yeah. Hey, so for this tutorial, we're gonna be creating this shirt right here, this designer Gucci shirt, whatever, yeah, this shirt, and I'll also be creating a hoodie at the end of the video as well, or after the shirt. So yeah, all right, so first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to this website right here called toby.space. This is a really popular website for FiveM clothing. Well, you're gonna need this website. I haven't made clothing in a while, but I'm pretty sure it's JBib for shirts. Yes, it is. All right, now you're gonna look for the shirt you want to create. So of course we're just gonna be looking for a normal shirt. Or is it an oversized? Hold on. Yeah, so yeah, I'm using this logo right here because it's the logo that's used right there. So, you know, just search up your whatever designer logos and shit. Oversized, we can use an oversized, alright. But just look for a shirt. So like, hold on, bro, this is kind of hard. Bro, I guess we'll do this one right here. So look, you gotta copy this right here. Don't copy the last bit. So npm something free mode something heist 3. Go to GTA normal files and boom, paste it, and then hit search, and then you're gonna find it right here. So you're gonna click here and then here, and now what you want to do, you want to go back here and check what it was. This one, yeah. So jbib 0011, I mean 011. So jbib 011. All right, so this right here, yep, here you have the shirt. Now what you want to do is you actually want to create a folder. So hold on. So there we go, I just created a folder. So you want to create a folder, so you want to make another folder in the folder called shirt. So boom, with shirt assets, maybe there you go. So you want to put that in here. This is the YTD. Now you want to scroll and find the YTD, jbib 011, remember. And you want to find number A, so this one, the first one. I'm gonna drag that over, and boom, there you go. Now you have the shirt assets. So this is what you're gonna need. So now what you can do is you can, I don't know if, yeah, all right, so now what you can do is you can go to this right here. I'm pretty sure actually if you just do this, if you just drag this folder at the, yep, there we go. So now you have the YTD right here. What you want to click is you want to click edit mode right here, top corner. Click that, click yes, then click on the YTD, and then want to click export all textures and PNG. And you want to actually go to the folder you just made, which I gotta find right here. So right here, right, you want to press on it and then select folder, and then it's gonna export. Now you can go into Photoshop, click open, and now you can, hold on, and now you can find the folder you just made. Click here and then click on the PNG, click open, and now you have loaded in the assets, and then you can start editing. What I wanna make you guys do first though is click image size, and put the resolution to 300. Do that as soon as possible, and boom, there you go, because it will make your clothing way higher quality, and it's just better to do. So yeah, make sure to do that. All right, so now what I want you guys to do is to open up OpenIV, right? Just stay still here, and then open up the YDD so you can see where the red part is and what it does and stuff. So as you can see, this text right here is where we're gonna be putting our Gucci logo. Where's my OpenIV? Okay, wait, hold on. All right, so as you can see, if you go back to Photoshop, you can see that the text here is right here, and the red part is here. So basically this part and this is probably just this. So we can actually color all this white. So what you want to do, if you want to have only white, you can put hue saturation and just put it this all the way down. And to be fair, that is not really the best, but you can do that. And then what you want to do after that is you want to put black and white. Wait, actually I could have just put black and white instead. Now you can change up the things. We want to put this to white. We want to make it as white as possible. Of course we want to have it white, you know. There we go. There you go, that looks pretty white. So right here, as you can see, you want to create another layer and mark this place just by doing this. I know it looks weird, but just trust. There you go. You just want to mark the place where you want the text to be. So just like that, I want it right there. And now actually you can put the opacity bit down. Actually, no, just keep it like this. Now what you want to do is you actually want to go to the main layer, hide this layer, and you want to click on the spot healing brush tool or whatever, you know. And then you want to just select this, and it will wipe out the text, so it's gone. There we go, just like that. Now what you can do is you can finally add your PNG. So there we go. Make sure it's above this layer. There we go. And now go where you marked and place over it. So that would look something like this. There we go. Maybe I can make it a bit smaller. There we go. I'm pretty sure this is the head color, so if you line it up just like that, that should be perfect. And color, I don't know if it's called color, like this thing, whatever, you know. Anyway, there we go. Now we have this. Now let's try to save it and see if it's right. So click save as, save on your computer, shirt assets, click PNG, and then you can call this one the same thing basically. Just replace it. You don't really need the old one anymore. But yeah, is it saved? Nope, still saving. All right, so just wait till it saves. Once it has saved, let's try to import it and see if it looks good. It's not always going to be working first try, like just right now. I don't know if it's going to be like, if this is going to be perfect, because it's pretty rare that it works in first try, you know, because you always got to put a bit of effort, you know, and try. So click edit mode, and once you load into the YTD, click replace, click on the new one, boom, click save, and I open up, and that looks just about right. I mean, yeah, I mean that looks pretty normal. This shadow is not gonna like disappear. I mean it is gonna disappear when you add it in game, of course. So this looks pretty lined up as well, so this is pretty good. It's just a shadow making it look like it's a bit more right, but it's not. So that's actually pretty good. Yeah, nice. All right, so I'm done with this. So basically, if you're like designing for someone and you want to send them, just send them these files right here with the YDD, of course, this one. Just send them those files and you should be good. And yeah, now let's go to the hoodie. So go back to Topi Space, and here find, there we go, here find this hoodie or this hoodie, whatever hoodie you want to use. It doesn't actually have to be this hoodie. I'm pretty sure there's other hoodies you can use, but we're just gonna go with this. So we're gonna go with this hoodie right here. So remember, do the same thing. Boom, go back to GTA, click filter, and then of course paste it in here. Now it's gonna search, click on the first one, click on this. Yeah, you can turn off edit mode while waiting. And now JBIB016, so find the same thing. JBIB016, is it this one? Yes, it is. Remember, create a new folder, and now let's call this the hoodie assets. Hoodie assets. Boom, drag the thingy into the hoodie assets, the YTD, and now the YTD, and now find the YTD, which is JBIB016, and make sure it's A. So this one. Boom. Now we have both of these, so now we can just boom. Remember, go to the YTD, click edit mode. I've already showed this, so that's why I'm doing it so quick. And I want to click export all textures, PNG, and boom, hoodie assets, and select folder. All right, so now we're gonna go for the Amiri hoodie. So this one right here, it actually has a little pocket thing as well, so it's pretty much perfect. So Amiri logo, PNG. That's all you gotta do. So the Amiri logo, which is on that hoodie, is not that one. Amiri hoodie logo, PNG. Maybe that's better. Maybe it is this one. No, it's this one. Hold on. Yeah, it's this one. So I can just cut out the background. Actually, wait. Okay, there you go. That's better. So copy image actually, and then, oh yeah, remember to open it. Click open, find the hoodie asset, click as PNG. Remember image, this is really important here, and then 300, and there we go. So now the pretty hard part about this, since this one doesn't already have a pre-made logo on, so we don't know where the logo is. So we're actually gonna guess. Yes, you heard me. We're gonna guess where the logo is gonna be, all right? So let me just remove the background real quick. There we go. Hold on, this little this little part right here. There we go. All right, so now since we actually don't know where it's gonna be, we have to guess. And let's make the text white as well. There we go. So we're actually gonna guess. I'm guessing about here, since that's where it was last time, and kind of like line it up with this. There you go. I'm pretty sure that's good. No, that's not good. There we go. That's where I'm guessing. Let's make it a bit smaller. I'm guessing here. I could be wrong because every asset is different, so remember that. All right, there you go. And I actually want to make this. Hold on. Make sure to add black and white as well again. If you want to change the colors of these things right here, you can just select them and change color, or you can just click here and hue saturation and change the color just like that. But what we're actually doing is we're doing black and white, and actually we're gonna turn this black, so just jeez, kind of wanted to blend in with the other stuff, but yeah, sure. Yeah, whatever. I hope it blends in well. Oh, hold on. So if we select this color, if we just do that, and then there we go. There you go. That's blending in. So yeah, we're gonna have to guess with the logo since we don't really know where it is. So we're just gonna put them here. You can put them here. Actually, yeah, make them different colors as well. So just like that and like that. So that's where I'm guessing. So I'm gonna actually, instead of just doing that, I'm just gonna use the brush tool. So this one is gonna be red. All right. So this one's gonna be red. This one's gonna be white. Actually, don't make them that big. Red, white, blue, and green. So we're gonna do that just to know which one is which. Save PNG. I'm guessing the blue one, I'll be honest. All right, so hoodie assets, select this, and boom. Now we're gonna try it. So remember here, gonna wait for it to load, to save, and then we're gonna try it and then see which one of these it is, or which one is the closest. So that's how you used to make clothing without templates, because I'm not gonna give you guys templates, bro, because templates is something you gotta learn how to make. Oh, it's green. Okay, it's because template, you gotta learn to make clothing without template. Oh, this is kind of sick, low key. Hey, so it was green. All right, so that's pretty interesting. So we actually got it spot on, so that's pretty nice. So it's the green one. So we want to deselect all of these ones, and it's the green one. So the green one is this one. So let's see, which way do we gotta move it? So this way. There we go. I'm guessing this should be good. Yep, and then we can maybe hold shift and bring it up, but not that much. Just so it's like this. And if we're, damn, it's hard. So you gotta like line it up perfectly. There you go. Okay, that should be good. Now we can hide all of the other ones. We can actually, yeah, just hide all of these ones. Hide these. And hide this. There we go. So that should be good. Save. PNG. Boom. And boom. Now let's see if this is gonna work. So that's how you used to make clothing like about like 10 months ago. Just gotta guess, or that's how I used to do it. I don't know about other people, but templates wasn't a thing, and it is a now, kind of like. There we go. It actually kind of sick. Yeah, W. All right, so hold on. Is that, yeah, that's lined up pretty good. Yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope you guys did learn something, and I hope you guys do enjoy the FiveM content. Anyway, this was my realistic FiveM clothing tutorial. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Like, subscribe, and yeah, see ya. By the way, since this is the tutorial stuff channel, so this is the channel where you're gonna have subscriber role once, and you can get access to this channel right here. Anyway, the pack thing, the folder I use in this video is gonna be in here. So yeah, make sure to just get that if you want, and yeah, it'll help you out. So yeah, enjoy. See ya. Yeah, now bye for real. Yeah.